For so many individuals. Make no mistake, the discharge of chemicals or other contaminants is unacceptable. And neither I nor anyone standing here with me today will tolerate it in West Virginia.
Governor Tomblin thanked the people of West Virginia for their patience during the past 11 days as he and emergency officials worked to restore water service to more than 300,000 West Virginians. At a press conference, Tomblin explained the legislation he will introduce to lawmakers in order to prevent such an accident from happening again.
This legislation will address currently unregulated tanks, those located in areas of critical concern near our public water supply and distribution systems. This proposed legislation will assure that all above-ground storage tanks are built and maintained consistent with required safety standards.
Drafted with the help of the Department of Environmental Protection, the bill has multiple facets. It will require all public water systems to have written plans in place to deal with any contamination possible near their intake sites. It empowers the DEP to implement an above-ground regulatory program, inspecting storage tanks and secondary containment systems. Companies storing chemicals above ground will be required to self-report the location of all of their tanks and provide an annual written report on any changes made to their storage locations. DEP Secretary Randy Huffman says while all of the aspects of the bill will help ensure the future safety of the state's water, it's the annual certifications done by engineers that will be the most helpful for the department.
The biggest thing is that we are looking for an annual certification by a registered professional engineer that the tanks and the secondary containment have all been tested and that they meet the certification or meet the requirements as outlined in the bill. That's huge. That would have prevented this incident last week.
Huffman says the additional inspectors or equipment needed to meet the requirements of the bill will likely be paid for through fees the department will collect from the chemical industry, but those will be set in legislative rulemaking rather than in law.